Greetings from happy times. But what if the times were not so happy? Did you happen to miss the days?
Hi, Sam Groom.
Why do you have my camera?
That's a really nice camera.
Because we're Americans.
He's got a point.
You're welcome.
He said, oh.
So what's going on, Matt? Put the camera on me, I'm a whore.
Not that I take a lot of pictures, but that's a really nice camera.